how to make CBD coffee. So what we've got is some quality fresh ground coffee going into the cafetiere. Just going in there, followed by some hot water. We've made this quite strong because we like quite strong coffee. However, alter it. If you don't like strong coffee, don't put as much coffee in. So simply add the boiling water. Yeah, a little CBD to be added. We then simply leave it brewing for 2 to 3 minutes. So after we've left it for 2 to 3 minutes, we then slowly start the process by pushing down the cafetiere. Looks like someone needs to go to the gym. So we left it for 3 minutes. We're now going to pour the coffee into the cup. A great pouring technique there. Coffee in. We're going to add 4 drops of the CBD. This is my own requirement, what I take. So 4 drops going in. And then some people like a black. I'm going to go for a bit of milk in mine, but I'm going to have, I'll go with 2 sugars. Is the morning. Perfect. And then I'm going to add milk. Many other brands available. And then that's all in. And you'll see on top there's a slight residue there, or residue. And that's just natural. Stir that in.
That's the residue.
Perfect. And absolutely perfect. Cheers. Part of my morning.